I've got a hard truth for you today, and I'm not going to sugarcoat it. The single biggest barrier to financial freedom isn't your income, it's your lifestyle. We've been told to work hard, get a good job, and then spend all the money we make to keep up with the Joneses. But as Dion McNeely says in his book, Financial Freedom for the Lazy Person, the only way to win the rat race is to get off the track. I say it like this: the only way to win the rat race is to get off the motherfucking track. True financial freedom is about building wealth, not building debt. The real hard truth is that you have to choose a fancy car or a small multifamily unit, property, a duplex, triplex, fourplex. You can't really have both right now. This is a sacrifice, but it's a temporary one for a permanent win. Don't forget, it's 10 years, no matter where you're starting from, you can make work optional. In 10 years or less, you can make work optional. The first 5 years are going to be really shitty, and then it gets a little bit smoother. But in 10 years or less, doing the right things, you can eventually make work optional. Financial independence, retire early. I don't say that anymore. I really believe we just need to say financial independence, make work optional. What's a sacrifice you're making right now for your future financial freedom? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Boom.